with model number 6 المعاصر book. Last questions in this term. Okay, model number 6. Question number 1. If you need to pay 1.5 kilograms of apples for your mother, it costs 40.5 Egyptian lira per 1 kilogram. How much would you pay? We can write the total by product two numbers. The product between the number of kilograms, 1.5 kilograms, and the cost of each 1 kilogram was 40.5. We can write the product between two numbers. Product between 15 and this number without the point, and then put the point in the result after 3 places. Write 15 product by 4,050, and then the point will be after by 3 places, because 1.5 it's meaning 15 over 10, and 1050 over 100 it's meaning 40 and 50 hundredths. We can cancel 0 by 0 by divided by 10 numerator and denominator, and then product 10 by 10 it will be 100, and then 405 product by 15. 5 times 5 equal 25, and 4 times 5 equal 20, plus and write 0 here. 1 times 5 equal 5, 1 times 0, 1 times 4, and then eat them. Write 6, 0, 7, 5, and the point will be after 2 places. Then the result will be 60 and 7,500 Egyptian lira. Choose letter C about this question. Question number 1, choose letter C. Question number 2. Which of the following equation represents the area of the parallelogram? We know the area of parallelogram equal base times height. We have two bases. We can write the smallest base product by height greatest height, or you can write the smallest base by corresponding height was the greatest, or you can write longest base by smallest height. Okay, in any parallelogram, two different bases, longest and smallest. Look at here about this example. We have 8 centimeter perpendicular to the base 6 centimeter. Look at here this parallelogram. We have in this parallelogram two bases. This height was 4.8 centimeter, and here 6 centimeter is the base, and corresponding height was 8 centimeter. Then the area will be 6 product by 8 base times height. 6 times 8 equal 48 square centimeter. Or you can write 4.8 perpendicular to this base opposite the base here was 10 centimeter. You can write this base 10 centimeter product by corresponding height 4.8, and the result will be 48 square centimeter. So we have two methods to find the area about this example. So you must choose what the result will be. 48, choose letter A. 6 times 8 equal 48 square centimeter. Okay, choose letter A about this example. Question number 2. If the price of a shirt is 280 Egyptian lira before discount 10%, then the discount will be what? We can write 10% from the money here, 280. Write 10 over 100 product 240. 280. Okay, again, the price of a shirt is 280 Egyptian lira. Before discount 10%, then discount would be what? We can write the discount 10 over 100, 17%, cancel 0 by 0, and cancel 0 by 0, then the result will be 28. It's discount. Discount will be 28 Egyptian lira. Shows letter B. He won't find discount, okay? Question number 4 is the point space lies in the first quadrant. First quadrant, positive and positive. It shows letter A. First quadrant shows letter A. Right 2 and 3 lies in the first quadrant, positive and positive. Then the result will be positive and positive in the first quadrant. We called it here first quadrant. Sign will be positive and positive. Next question, from the opposite double number line. If the ratio between the number of boys and number of girls is 6 to 5, 5 to 6, ratio between boys and girls, the ratio between them was 5 to 6, and the total of the boys and girls 44 pupils. We have 5 here, 1 2 3 4 5 boxes, and girls 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and give us the sum of boys and girls total was 44. We can find the value of each box. Right, sum of them was 44. He tell us the sum of them 44 divided between the number of boxes of boys and girls, the ratio between them 5 and 6, then 5 plus 6 it will be 11, then the value of each box it will be 4. Then he won't find the number of girls. The number of girls, it will be what? 6 product by 4 equal 24. The number of girls, it will be 24 girls. Then the number of girls will be 24. Okay, understood this example? You must choose letter B about this example. Okay, next question. The surface area of the cube, it will be 6 product by S by S, side by side, because we have 6 faces in the cube. 6 faces. We can find the surface area of cube. Write the number of faces was 6 product by area of one face, then the result will be 6S over 2. Its area, or 6 product S by S, it shows letter C. It's the area of cube. Next question, number 7. If the ratio between two numbers is 2 3 and the first number is 6, the second number will be what? We have the ratio between first to second. The ratio between them was 2 to 3, and the first number was 6. Then the second number will be what? We know 2 times 3 equals 6, then 3 times 6 equals 18. Okay, but here the difference, 2 convert to 6 by product by 3, then 3 times 3 equals 9. Then second number will be 9. Second number will be 9. Choose letter C. Next example. In the opposite double number line, we want to find the value of A and value of B. Look at the double number line here, beginning by 0, and here 8 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 3 plus 6 plus 3 equals 9. 9 plus 3 will be 12, plus 3 equal 15, plus 3 equal 18. 18 plus 3 equal 21, and we have here 8 plus 8 equals 16. 16 plus 8 equal 24. 24 plus 8 equals 32. 32 plus 8 equal 40. 40 plus 8 equal 48, and 48 plus 8 equal 56. It was B, not 8. Okay, we have B here, and the opposite of 9 was 15, and the number here 20. Then he ate 5 all the time. 5, 10, 15. Then the value of b 5, and here 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, and here 8, 3 all the time. In the opposite of, we have 20, 25, 30. In the value of a here, it will be 18. A will be 18 and b equal 5. Okay, understood. A will be equal 18 and b equal what? B equal 5. Next example, question number 2. The point 4 and 2 lies in the first quadrant. Space units from y-axis. We can write the distance between point and y-axis. We have 4 and 2. The distance between this point and y-axis, it will be 4 units. We have 4 units. Okay, to find the distance between any point and y-axis, you can find the absolute value of the value of x. We have 4 and 2. Then the distance between 4 and 2 and y-axis, it will be 4 units. Okay, the result will be 4 units. Question number 3. If the ratio is 3 over 4 equivalent to x over 12, then x plus 5 equal space. We can find the value of x here. 4 product by 3 equal 12, and then 3 times 3 equal 9. Then x will be 9. Then x plus 5, it will be what? 9 plus 5 equal 14. The result will be 14. Okay, the result here will be 14. Next question. The area of the triangle, it will be half times the base times the height. We have obtuse triangle. Then the altitude will be outside here. Then the area will be what? Half. Product is the base product by the height. Half of product between them, 4 times 5, 20. 20 divided by 2 equal 10 square centimeter. Next question. The volume of cuboid of base area 44 and 8/10 square centimeter and height 15.5 centimeter. For what? We know the volume was area base product by height. The area base here was 44 and 8/10 product by the height was 15.5. We can write 448 product by 155, and in the result we must put the point after one place will be after two places. 5 times 8 equal 40, 0 and the carry up 4. 4 times 5, 20, 20 plus 4, 24, write 4 and carry up 2. 4 times 5 equal 20 plus 2 equal 22, plus and write 0. This number write again 0, 4 and 2 and 2, because 5 times this number it will be 2240, and then write double 0. 1 times 8, 1 times 4, 1 times 4, 0 here, 4, 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 8 14, 4 and the carry up 1, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 4 equal 9, 2 plus 4 equal 6. Then the volume will be 6, 9, 4, 4 and 0. The point will be after two places, and the result will be 694.4 cubic centimeter. 694 and 4/10 cubic centimeter. Okay. Next example, number 6. 3 over 4 of 4 over 3, it will be 1. We have the number and the reciprocal. About this number, the product between them, it will be 1. The product between a number and its reciprocal, the result will be 1. Question number 7. 20%, it's meaning 20 over 100. Product by what equal 15. You want to find the whole number. We can solve this example by write this method. Right here the whole number and the percentage and the part. We want to find the whole number. You can write the percentage here in the numerator 15%, and here the part was 15. Then the whole number, to find it you must write the part 15 divided by the percentage here 20%. 20% is simply 20 over 100. You can divide it by 10 numerator and denominator. Then write 15 divided by 2 over 10 will be 1 over 5. Simplest by divided by 2 numerator and denominator, and then write 15 and convert from division to multiplication. We'll share reciprocal about 1 over 5 to be 5. 5 times 5 25. Write 5 and carry up 2. 1 times 5 equals 5 plus 2 equals 7. Then the result will be 75. Then the whole numbers here will be 75. Again, to find the whole number, you can write 15 divided by 20%, or you can write 15 product by 100 divided by 20, and then simplify it. 10 divided by 2 5. 5 times 15 equals 75. Next question, the area of the opposite trapezium equal what? We can find the area of trapezium, half the sum of two bases projected by corresponding height. We have triangular, we have here trapezium, and the base, this angle was right, it's perpendicular, with height here, count with me, 1 2 3 4 5 6 units, and the base here is units, and here 3 4 5 6 7 units. Then the area equal half the sum of two bases product by corresponding height. Half of 6 it will be 3, then 7 plus 3 product by 3. 7 plus 3 equal 10. 10 times 3 it will be what? 30 square units. The area will be 30 square units. Understood? The area of the trapezium, it will be 30 square units. Next question number 3, choose the correct answer. We have 2500 kilogram equal space gram. To convert from kilogram to gram, product by 1000. Move the point right hand side by 2 places, it will be 250 gram. Question number 4, we can solve this example by using conversion factor. Do you remember conversion factor? You can write kilogram down and gram up, and write 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram, and then cancel kilogram by kilogram, and then the result will be 1000 times this number, it will be 250 gram. Okay. Question number 2, surface area of the opposite triangular prism, it will be what? Okay, we can factorizing this figure here about this triangle in the face, and we have congruent triangle here in the left, on the right hand side here, and the left was triangle, and we have here this rectangle here, and one, and we have another rectangle in the base. We have rectangle in the base here, and we have another rectangle behind this rectangle. Okay, so we have two triangle congruent and two rectangle congruent here and down, and in the base we have rectangle. Then we have 5 faces, 1 2 3 4 5. I will find the area about this triangle and this triangle, and the area of first rectangle here in the face, and the out here rectangle again, and in the base we have this rectangle in the base. Understood? We have two triangle congruent and two rectangle congruent and two triangle congruent and one in the base not congruent about two rectangles here. Okay, the dimensions about triangle here we can write base 6 and the corresponding height was 4. Okay, then we can find the area 1 about this triangle, half product by the base product by 4, half product by the base product by the height, half of 6, 3 times 4 is 12. Then the area about this triangle again, it will be 12 square centimeter. And the area of this rectangle here, we have rectangle here, the area will be length times width. The length was 5 centimeter. He give us in the example the length was 5 centimeter. Okay, it was 5, and the length in the base here was 7 centimeter. Then the area about one triangle here, it will be 12, and the next triangle 12, and the area of rectangle here lies right here 5 product by length 7 product by 5, length times width will be 35 square centimeter. And the area about this rectangle again here, rectangle here, this rectangle and this rectangle are congruent. We have two rectangles congruent in the face and in the left here. Okay, by the right and the left. Okay, can you see this rectangle and rectangle to the left here? They are congruent. Area of each one of them was 35 square centimeter. And the area of rectangle in the base, we have two dimensions, 7 here, the length in the base, and 6. Its dimensions about rectangle in the base, 7 and 6. Then the area of rectangle in the base, 6 product by 7, length times width, it will be 42 square centimeter. Okay, then the total area we can write 12 plus 12, area of two triangles congruent, and the area of two rectangle congruent, 35 and 35, and the area of rectangle in the base was 42. 12 plus 12 equal 24, and 35 plus 35 equals 70, plus 42. We can write the area, write 2 in the space here. 2 plus 4 equals 6, 4 plus 7 11, 11 plus 2 equals 13. The total area equal 136 square centimeter. He give us dimensions was meter. Okay, all dimensions was meter, not centimeter. Centimeter. Oh, he give us meter divided by what? No, it will be square centimeter, like this dimensions. Okay, square centimeter, it's the area, not square meter. It's wrong. Okay, right here cancel this unit and write square centimeter. The area will be 136. Choose letter C about question number 2. Okay, it's the area about triangular prism. The area will be 136. Choose letter C. Okay, we have five shape here, and find the area of each one of them to find the total area. Some area about two triangles and two congruent rectangles and rectangle in the base. Do you know? To find the area, you must solve a lot of questions about this example. Okay, question Number 3, 2 over 5 divided by 2 or 1 over 5. We can solve this example by right here. 2 over 5 product by reciprocal about 2, it will be 1 over 2. Cancel 2 divided by 2, 1. 2 divided by 2, 1. 1 times 1 equal 1. 1 times 5 equal 5. Then it will be equivalent. Okay. Next question, we'll subtract sum of 20% and 35%. One was 100%. Subtract sum of them, it will be 55%. 100 subtracted by 55, 10 minus 5 equal 5, and 9 minus 5 equal 4, to be 45%. 45% where we haven't 45%. We can write 45 hundredths, but we haven't 45 hundredths. So you must write 45 over 100 and then simplify it by divided by 5 numerator and denominator. 45 divided by 5 equal 9 and 100 divided by 5 equal 20. Then the result will be 9 over 20. Choose letter C about this example. Question number 5. The ratio between two side lengths of rhombus, it will be 1 to 1. Rhombus, all sides are equal lengths. Then the ratio between any two sides here 1 to 1. If you want to find the ratio between perimeter and side, will be 4 and 1. Okay. Question number 6. 30 gypsum lira for 5 kilogram. Then the cost of 30 kilogram. Okay. We can solve this example by write first unit rate. We can write unit rate. Unit rate tell us the price of each 1 kilogram. We can write 30 divided by 5 equals 6 gypsum lira per 1 kilogram. Then the cost of 30 kilogram, it will be what? We can write 30 the number of kilograms, product the price of each 1 kilogram, 6. Then the result will be 180 Egyptian lira. It is the cost of 30 kilogram. Okay, choose letter D about this question number 6. Question number 7, the area of the object trapezium. We have two bases. We have here 6 and 11, and height was 4 centimeter. We know the area. We can write this example by two methods. We can solve by two methods. First method, we can divide it, this trapezium, to 3 figures, 1, 2, 3, 2 triangle and 1 rectangle, and find the area of each one of them. And in the last step, you can add the 3 results: area 1, area 2, area 3. Or we can solve the example by easy method. Write half the sum of two bases, product by height. Right, half product by 11 plus 6 equals 17 plus 4. Half of 4 equals 2. 2 times 17 equals 34 square centimeter. Okay. Choose letter B. Next question number 4. Answer the following. Well, I'll put a flat for 360,000 gypsum lira. He paid 30% of its price. How much money did he pay? Okay, we can write 30% of this number. It's mean product between each other. 30%, it's mean 30 over 100, product by the total money, 360,000. Cancel double zero by double zero, and then product 30 by this number. Write 1, 2, and 0 here. 3 times 6 equal 18. 8 and the carry up 1. 3 times 3, 9 plus 1 equal 10. Okay, then the result will be 108,000 gypsum lira. It was he paid. Next question. Plot the point here, the shape, and what kind of this shape. Okay, we can put the orders here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, put the first point A, 4 and negative 2, 4 and negative 2 here to point A, point B, 2 and 2, 2 and 2, put a point, and C, negative 2 and 2, negative 2 and 2, it's point C here, point D, negative 4 and negative 2, negative 4 and negative 2 here, it's point D. Then we have trapezium. We have here the trapezium. Okay, and we know the area of trapezium have the sum of two bases product by corresponding height. Okay, then ABCD is a trapezium. We called it trapezium. Question number C. Find the corresponding height of the parallelogram with area 28 square centimeter and the base was 4 centimeter. We know the area of trapezium equal, not trapezium, it's a parallelogram. The area of parallelogram equal base times corresponding height. Then we can find here, we can find what the height by write the area. The area was 28 over the corresponding base was 4. It will be 7 centimeter. Okay, the height will be area divided by corresponding base. 28 divided by 4 equals 7 centimeter. Next question, letter D. On most summer days, Gamal drink about 20,000 milliliter of water. How many liter of water that? Choose a calculate. Okay, your calculation. Okay, we can convert here from milliliter to liter by using conversion factor. We have 20,000 milliliter. You must cancel milliliter, write milliliter down and liter up. 1 liter equal 1,000 milliliter. And then you can simplicity cancel similar units here and divide it to numbers. The result will be 20 liter. The result here will be 20 liter. Okay, it's last question here. Understood?